As someone who's been making nature videos in South Florida for over a year now, as of May 24th, it's almost inexplicable that I haven't made it to Gumbo Limbo in Boca Raton yet. But that changes today. I am walking up to the Gumbo Limbo Nature Center right now, last day of May. Looks like it's about to storm. We're gonna check this place out. I'm gonna go into the exhibits inside first. I also understand there's some trails. We'll check those out afterwards. And here comes the rain. So I'm gonna go inside of there, see what they have to offer. All right, it's so busy with all the people in there fleeing the rain. I'm just gonna do the outside stuff now. Looks like there's about half a mile of boardwalk trail out here. And it looks like there's an outdoor aquarium over there. So I'm definitely gonna angle over there after I check out these boardwalks. There's the Intracoastal right there. This nature center is on that strip of land between the ocean and the Intracoastal. You can see the mangroves right there with the water lapping up. Got a branch down. Cool little spot. All right, looks like here's the observation tower. Rain's starting to come down pretty heavy. Thankfully, I didn't hear any thunder, which helped me make the decision to come out here anyway, despite the rain. Some people really don't like the rain, but I quite enjoy being outside when it's raining. Let's go up here. Right, I went up that tower over there, but as you may have been able to see, it started absolutely pouring. So I put my phone away and stopped filming because I didn't want to ruin my phone and have to go to the store and get another one. I went down from there, and right next to it is another observation tower, but I guess this one's more accessible, so you can push a stroller or a wheelchair up this one. So I'm gonna go to the top of this one now and check it out. Nice being up here in the hammock, pretty much alone, just me in the rain. I'm up here at the top of Jacob's Outlook. You can see the Intracoastal right over there. Up to the north is Delray Beach, Highland Beach, right next door. Ocean's just over there. I don't know if you can really see it, especially through the rain. Jacob's Outlook, a vista inspired the soul from the depths of the ocean to the skies above. And it seems that it's named after this person, Jacob Kosowski. Nice monument. Some sailboats out there, looking down on the trees from above. Also, I just realized that these two different sections, the stairs and the ramp over there, connect, which makes a lot more sense than two structures right next to one another that don't connect. I didn't make it all the way up to the stairs when I was over there, so this clarifies a bit. I spent some time up here enjoying the view. I'm gonna head down these stairs. All right, looks like this boardwalk takes you back to the main nature center. So I'm gonna head back there, go through it, look for this aquarium. All right, so I'll definitely be going left here. There are just so many people packed in that nature center, hiding from the rain. And looks like I'm the only non-employee out here right now. Let's see if we can find this turtle named Lefty. settling in for a nap. Look at this guy. Now this is cool. It's an outdoor aquarium.
Right? These fish are big.
Alright, I spent a lot of time at that outdoor aquarium. Sea turtle rehabilitation facility. Look at that. There's the turtle vet clinic, it looks like. Better them than me. Off to the butterfly garden. All right. It is a woodwork of little trails. Not really any butterflies out because of the heavy rains, I'm sure. But one can definitely see potential in this place when the weather is more butterfly appropriate. So I think there's one more section at the Nature Center, the FAU lab. So I'm gonna head back to that. Apparently, if you find a sea turtle hatchling, you can drop it off in this box. All right, last thing to check out, FAU Research Gallery. Sounds academic, let's check it out. It is not a man's world in the turtle world. Enemy or anemone? I've never said that before. We are in Boca Raton, home of Florida Atlantic University, and it seems like they are involved in the sea turtle efforts. This is laboratory, exactly as advertised. Right, I'm making my way towards the exit. There's a little gopher tortoise enclosure here. You can see two of them all snuggled up. It's a pretty cozy looking house. Looks like a trash can half embedded in the dirt. All right, and there's lunch. All right, so that was Gumbo Limbo Nature Center in Boca Raton, Florida. I was here for over 2 hours. It's a really cool place with a lot of stuff to see. Not really a hiking forward place, more of a aquarium nature center vibe, which is a good thing. That tower experience was fun, if not a little bit harrowing because of the elements. Highly recommended to check this place out, and also it's free. The best price there is. So if you're in Boca Raton, Florida, check out Gumbo Limbo for sure.